Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today we're going to create a section to show the featured restaurants on the homepage using MetaBox and Oxygen. Here is my example. I made this homepage using Oxygen. And this section is to show the featured restaurant which is chosen manually in the backend. These restaurants will be stored in a post type and each one is a post. The restaurant's information, including extra information such as logo, voucher, and address that are saved in the custom fields. In this practice, I also set a condition. It indicates that only selected posts will be displayed in this section. To know when a post is selected, I'll use a special custom field. For the custom post type or custom fields, I use MetaBox. To have more advanced features, we need some MetaBox extensions. You can install them individually or use MetaBox AIO as I'm using. Make sure that you activate the following extensions. MB admin columns to show the status of whether the restaurants are featured or not in the list of posts. So you can easily compare the results when displaying the restaurants on the homepage. However, this is just an optional part, so due to your demand, you can use this extension or not. MB custom post type helps to create custom post types. And MetaBox Builder has a UI on the back end to create custom fields easily. The last one is Oxygen. You should use the 3.9 version or upper, which has native integration with MetaBox already. Now let's create a new post type for the restaurant. After publishing, you'll see a new item appear. It's your post type. It's time to create custom fields to save some extra information for restaurants. To select which restaurant is featured on the front end, I'll create another custom field as the switch type so that users can change the selection button. The off status will indicate that you do not want to recommend the restaurant. Otherwise, the on status will let us know that you want to feature the restaurant. I'll show the values of this custom field in the admin column to see whether the restaurant is featured or not. So tick this box. This is how it will display. After that, go to the Settings tab and choose Location as the post type. Then choose the restaurant that we've just created to apply the custom fields to it. Back to the post editor, you will see all of the newly created custom fields. Especially, the switch field is also displayed. You can turn on or turn off the button to choose to feature the restaurant or not. Then just fill in the information. These are the posts that I created as an example. You can easily see which restaurant will be featured like this. Let's edit the homepage with Oxygen. First, select the section component to contain all of the restaurant's information. Next, to show the title of the featured restaurant section, add the heading component and name it. Select a repeater component to get all the posts of the restaurant post type. Then go to the query section to choose the source of data and set conditions. Normally, to get the posts, you can choose default or custom type. As I only select a certain number of posts to be displayed based on the condition, I choose the query in the advanced type. Now let's create conditions to choose which posts to display. We'll add some query parameters as follows. First, add a parameter to specify that we'll get only posts from the restaurant post type. In this box, enter the ID of the post type you want to get the data here. Next, add another parameter. The purpose of this parameter is to choose which posts in the restaurant post type are displayed. This condition will be set based on the value of this field named Feature the Restaurant. So, in the key option, fill in the ID of this field. Since this is a switch field with two options, on or off, corresponding to these two options, their values are 1 and 0. They are the numeric type. Thus, add the type option like this. Enter 1 into the box because it's defaulted to the yes status of the switch field. It means that only posts where the switch field is in yes status will be displayed in this section. And the last one is that we should limit the number of posts to display in the section. So choose the post per page parameter and set the number of the posts you want to display here. We've done the settings for the condition. After applying, there are 6 boxes for 6 posts. It's equivalent to the number of posts we set for the section. Now, it's time to display information of each restaurant. Inside this div, select the image component to display the restaurant's image. Then connect it with the featured image of the post. Now images are displayed immediately. For the voucher information, choose the text component and connect it to the corresponding field by clicking here and choosing Insert Data. Now we'll see the options in the post section. Choose the MetaBox field option and select the voucher field. After that, you'll see the restaurant's voucher. To get the restaurant's name automatically, add the heading component. Connect it with the title of the post. Tick here so that the names of the restaurants will display in link format. Currently, the names of the restaurants appear. For the address information, do the same with the voucher field. Add a text component to it, then connect it to the address field. The rest information we want to display is the restaurant's logo. Choose the image component. Because the logo field is created by MetaBox and it returns the URL, go to the Image URL tab to get data from this field. You see that the logos of restaurants appear. That's all for getting information about the featured restaurants. On the homepage, all the featured restaurants' information is displayed. For styling, go back to the page editor with Oxygen. Then choose each component and change the settings to style them. You also can add some CSS to have more advanced style like this. Go to the homepage. All the featured restaurants are displayed as we want. That's all for the tutorial today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.